We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Whippoorwills and nighthawks feed at night, but they too are meat eaters, which they get in the form of flying insects. Most other birds, especially our birdseed-loving birds, sleep at night. Flying squirrels are far more common than most people think because, as you have found out, they like to feed well after dark.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.